If you have not cleaned your water dispenser, it is time to clean your water dispenser. There, that button right there. Can you see? Oh, button again. Right? You see? And go, Kyla.
Hi guys.
Songa hivi.
Hi guys, it's another day. Guess what we're doing today? We are washing the dispenser.
Yay! So welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video, guess what I've decided to do? I have decided to show you guys how to clean your water dispensers, because when was the last time you cleaned your water dispenser? If it is something that you have to think about, then it must be time, or it should be time to clean your water dispenser. And here with me I have two items that you need to clean your water dispenser. I have vinegar and I have baking soda to clean your water dispensers. So come. Let me show you how my water dispenser is looking at the moment, which of course I needed to clean the water dispenser. Can you show them on the inside here? Can you see, guys? All this is dirt. I know you guys can see that, right? So but worry not, I'm going to show you how to clean that in a minute. Okay, so if you're watching this, kindly give the video a thumbs up, and also you are welcome to join this family. Just hit the subscription button, hit the notification button, and leave a sweet comment down below and tell me when was the last time you cleaned your water dispenser. Tell me. If it is something that you have to think about, then it is time for you to clean your water dispenser. All right, you can pause. So here I have warm water, and then using your baking soda, you put a good amount of baking soda. It does not have to, you don't have to measure, okay? So I'm just going to pour a good amount of baking soda inside my water or the bowl. And then using my vinegar, I'm going to measure some 2 bottle tops.
It looks like,
yeah, you see the water is boiling. It's like the water is boiling. There's some reaction that has just happened there. Okay, and of course the soap, you're going to put it there. And using this bowl, you know, sasa ndio nione. So we are going now to start. Before that, we are going to remove the water that is inside here. Come closer. So we're going to remove this water, and of course that does not need any education, because you know how to drain water. So you just drain the water. You drain the water, and as you can see, there's no water. Okay, we put that aside. Using our baking soda and our vinegar, I'm going to pour in some. Come here, come closer. I'm going to pour this mixture inside here, and then I'm going to leave it for a few minutes before I start washing the dispenser. Okay, and as you can see, even the outside part is very dirty, so I'm going to use this. This is
sponge.
This is a sponge. I'm going to use it to wash the outside part. And on this other side of your water dispenser, I'm very sure that you guys didn't know about this hack, or about this button right here. Come closer so that we show them. I'm very sure you did not know. You can squat, Kyla. I'm very sure many of you didn't know about this button right here, and I'm going to show you in a few the use of this button right here. As you can see, there's water. Pause. Right there, we're going to start washing our dispenser using your sponge. We have given the water some time, so that the germs inside here, so that it can wash away the germs that are inside here. Always make sure at least you wash your water dispensers maybe once a month. Yeah, once a month. That is the recommend. Well, I would say that is what I would recommend. Like I washed mine, I think
last year.
Not last year.
It was last year.
No, it wasn't last year. You don't remember us doing a video here?
It was
the other day. It wasn't last year.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Anyway, don't listen to my camera, girl.
Just say cameraman.
My cameraman. Using my skewer, I'm going to use it to reach the points that I am not able to reach using my sponge. You can come closer so that we show them what we are doing here. You know, and then you move a bit so that they can see like the whole dispenser. Then can they see? Perfect. Okay. So everything is looking so good. Using my skewer, this is to help clean on the sides. Come and show them. This is to help clean on the side. You can pause and then you come on this side. Perfect. Using your skewer or your toothpick, you can use a toothpick if you don't have a skewer. This is to help clean on these sides. Yeah, as you can see, they are now starting to look good. They are now clean from the water. As you all know that this water, the water that we drink, is always dirty. So, and I think I'm loving the outcome. It's looking so good. It's looking so clean. You need to try this. Kindly give the video a thumbs up and also remember to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that every time I post a video, you will be among the first people to see about the content.
It was dirty.
Here, you need to, you can pause it. Now using my sponge and some little soap, I wash the outside part. Always make sure you do this.
You're still going to show them how to wash inside.
And this dispenser has really served me because I remember the dispenser, I got it in the year 2019. So that's like 5 years. Yeah, 2019. That's when you got the dispenser. So it has really served me.
You're still going to show them how you're going to wash inside?
Yeah. But we are already done with
Oh,
inside.
We
are done with the inside, with here, with the upper part. This part is not, it's not dirty because I actually don't use it. So that part is not dirty. And then now we come to this other side of the dispenser. You always need to wipe, if not wash, always wipe it. Remember that this water right here, it has baking soda and it has vinegar. And also it has soap. So the next thing, we wash this side, the back side. We do not want to pour so much water because you can see there's a button right here. And of course there are some wires inside here. And you don't want to mess up our dispenser. Here comes the most interesting thing, or the most interesting part in our dispenser. I'm sure most of you don't know about this part or about this button. Come closer so that we show them. You bend so that they can see. So what you do, you see this button right here, yeah, you just open it to drain the water that is there. Always drain the water. So this water, it's coming from up here, so that's why you always need to, like, now there's so much water because it's been a while since I washed the dispenser. So you can imagine how much water, or how much you know, how much water, I don't know how much
that.
Yeah, you can imagine how much water and that has been here in the dispenser. Yeah, so that is that. You see, the reason why you need a skewer, it's for you to clean this spot right here. Can you see it's dirty? I don't know if you guys can see the dirt there. I don't know if you guys can see the dirt, but myself, I can see the dirt coming from that part. Okay, so that's why you need at least a skewer or a toothpick. If you don't have a skewer, you can always use a toothpick to clean these spots right here. Because tell me why you shouldn't, or you're not supposed, you don't clean your dispenser. Tell me why you've taken so long to clean your water dispenser. This is the reason why you need to clean your water dispenser. All right, all done.
Tell them that's even where the water comes from.
Yeah, rinsing our water dispenser. So this is cold water, and then after this we will now use the remaining warm water and some. To drain the water that we've just used right now, we are going to open our button again, right? You see? Kind of put up closer. There, that button right there. Can you see? That's a lot of water. That's a lot of water. Perfect.
Perfecto.
Yeah. And as you can see, the water is now clean. So I'm just going to use warm water to finish rinsing the dispenser. I finish up. I'm now using hot water. And there you go. So that is a very simple and easy task for you to do. If you have not cleaned your water dispenser, it is time to clean your water dispenser. Remember to give this video a thumbs up. Also, you are welcome to subscribe to this channel, Carol Carrier, aka Miss K254. And of course, if you want to become a member of this channel, there's a joining sign down below. Just click on it. It's going to direct you on how you can become a member of this channel and support Miss K254. That you need to do, of course, it's to leave your water dispenser outside so that it can dry up. So using my kitchen towel, I'm going to dry up the outside part. Unakaa mbali kidogo ndio watu wanaona tu nikipanguza. And now we are going to fill in our water bottle. This is what I always do, or I usually do. I fill in the water bottle using the tap water from home because it is fresh water. I prefer to use this water instead of buying water because this is more, I feel like it's more safe. Plus, as you all know, this channel is all about budget friendly, and this is one way that you can spare some cash, right, by just using the water that you have. And because we are boiling the water, we have the water dispenser. I don't see any reason as to why I should be buying water. I mean, if you have fresh water from tap, use that, fill in your bottle, and then just boil it. So I'm just going to fill in the water bottle. Guys, here is the water dispenser, as good as new. Can you see that? And this dispenser is 5 years old. So as you can see, it just needs some little maintenance and you will have your water dispenser as good as new. Right? So this space right here, hiyo ndio ilikuwa mbaya sana and we had to clean it. Very nice, very clean, and it's something that you can do too. So if you have not washed your water dispenser in years, please stand up right now, just go and clean it right now. And you see, you just need some white vinegar and baking soda to clean your water dispenser. It's that simple. Very simple. See you on to our next video. Bye bye.
I stop the video.